Hey, to Todd here again. A little this time, really a quick vid. I always say that, but something I found from another YouTuber, Chris Fix, on auto detailing, specifically the engine bay, and that's used. And it doesn't have to be the Sharpie brand, but really an oil-based paint pen is all you need. So I ordered this set from Walmart, mainly for the yellow. I've used the black on the contour for some side badging. Haven't found a need yet for the other colors, but now I find I need silver as the engine cover on both cars needs a little touching up. So, just a quick idea of what you can do with this. This is the brake filler, brake reservoir cap off of the Cougar, and I'd actually already started before I thought to take a picture. But you can see what I did: warning and the C, and you can see what kind of condition the rest of the lettering's in. So that's basically what warning and the C looked like. So that's kind of the before, and then the after. It looks like brand new, and it was as I'm doing it. Of course, you'd never realize it standing up, just looking down at it. But they actually used proper punctuation. Was kind of they could have done away with the space here, but yeah, a colon and then well, a period on the first little sentence there, and then colon, so on and so forth. So again, before and after, pretty dramatic. It just took a couple of minutes to actually do this. Let it dry. If you see maybe a little smudge there too, just dab it off. A little solvent would probably help, and you see it a little too close to the D. But yeah, big improvement over that. And then the contour actually had just a sticker on here. I don't remember what it says, but it's just a yellow sticker. So again, I use Sharpie oil based. I'm sure there's other brands. Take your time, work slowly. I believe this, yeah, fine point. I think you can actually get a extra fine point, but the fine points seem to work well. And you may find other uses for them. So that's it. Thanks, guys, for watching, and we'll see you soon.